I already have eaten Korean dog, but tastes so good. I think my sister-in-law here likes making these videos more than I do. Man. Which one was it did you go to?
The one right here in Henderson. What is it? Coronado Heights.
Okay. This is actually really, really good. I thought you went to Korean Dog, the one over there up the Spring Mountain. I was saying, this cheese is pretty pretty melty to come from all the way over there.
Mhm. It's like 5 minutes from your house.
I'm telling you now, I'm gonna have to take Michelle there.
After 6 is buy one get one free.
Oh yeah. Hopefully everybody out there is doing just as well as we're doing right now. This sauce is amazing.
Cheese mustard.
My goodness. Sophie, baby, will you get me a soda, please? We got a big old mess cooking right here. Last one done cleans up. No, I think I'll do the clean on this one. You were nice enough to get us these. Thank you.
Okay.
This was
it hit the spot.
oh my goodness, didn't it? You should do a little review on this. Tell me what you think about these. I opened them up, but I forgot to try them. I already tried the nacho cheese ones. I give them a 10. They taste just like Doritos nacho cheese, but this is the ranch version of this. You can get them at Sprouts. Try those. See what you think. They're really good.
They're actually really good.
For Sprouts, for a health store, yeah, really, 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 really good.
Cool Ranch Doritos. They taste like Cool Ranch Doritos.
Yep, just like them. Well, I can't say I haven't tried these ones yet, but yeah. But the nacho cheese ones, these ones right here is the ones I tried earlier. And they do taste very close. They are very, very, very good. Oh, you want some more? I'll put some in here. I've already been snacking before you got here. I ate a big bowl of rice, beans with hamburger meat in it. Yeah.
Okay.
I think I'm going to be nice to the camera lady and let her have this one.
Don't tell Michelle.
Okay. Sophie? It's kind of empty. Here, I'll grab it. I just want to say, I don't know about you guys out there. Does food make you happy? Because I know food makes me very happy. And remember, we do have quite a few other videos out there. We would really highly appreciate if you'd be able to check them out and give them a thumbs up and, you know, share them if you can. We'd highly appreciate it. We thank you for all the support that you've been giving our channel already. And it's been a blessing to even be able to do YouTube. And I highly appreciate everybody out there. So remember, like, subscribe, share our videos, and smash that thumbs up. And we highly appreciate it. Peace out.